Good evening, respected teacher and principal. I am Mrs. Sheetal Shinde, mother of Gaurav and Vivek Sunil Shinde, study in Standard 8B of your esteemed school. First of all, I would like to thank the school management for conducting such a great event on the occasion of International Literacy Day, which we are celebrating today here on this special eve on 16 September 21. It has become more special as you have involved us, the parents of SIES school, to share our views by organizing such wonderful events. This kind act on your part is indeed remarkable and appreciable. Parents play a vital role in the child's development and their overall progress. Today, I am going to share my views on why the parents should be their child's biggest support. So, parental support is commonly defined as being emotionally present and consistently dependent for the child in times of need. Parents are the first teachers of their child. Child is attached with mother since they are in the womb. They feel more comfortable and safe. This protective feeling keeps on developing as a child grows old. He feels more positive and secure in the presence of beloved parents. Thus, parents' involvement helps extend teaching outside the classroom. Parent support is also beneficial in meeting child's educational requirements at various stages. No matter their income or background, students with involved parents are more likely to have higher grades and test scores, attend school regularly, have better social skills, show improved behavior, and adapt well to school. Parental guidance also helps students to learn online education more effectively and making child more computer literate and ease the process of e-learning concepts. Thus, a good parental care and support is very much essential to the overall development of a child at any level of age. A flexible and effective approach in parenthood is leads to improved communication and relations between parents and children. Consistent parent involvement also create a positive and strong socio-economic bond with parents and children. Whereas other over involvement of parents with children leads to misbehavior, lack of discipline, dependability on parents, lack of decision making, which can hamper the growth of a child. Most of the parents are the working parents, they cannot spend more time with their children, thereby causing miscommunication and misinterpretation in their relationship. In the recent times, most of the children have lost their parents in corona pandemic, which have adverse effects on the social educational life. One cannot imagine the miseries of their lives. Therefore, I think every child should have a good balanced parental support to build up a good nation. Thank you.